Are you dreaming of owning your own cozy, affordable home? Then you have come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore an amazing opportunity, a tiny house listed for under $50,000 that you can buy right now. Stick around as we dive into the details of this incredible offer and discover why tiny living might just be the perfect fit for you. Tiny home on wheels listing by Compact Living. Price starts at $31,900. Location, North Las Vegas, Nevada. Looking for a cozy home that can travel with you? Check this new Arcadia model, a turnkey home on wheels that's factory built for convenience. The 16-foot option starts at just $31,900, while the 20-foot option is available for $36,900. Base model is 136 square feet with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. They offer the lowest prices in the USA and have nearly 40 different models and floor plans with financing available. Their builder is ANSI NFPA certified and also offers RV certification. With delivery available nationwide in as little as 6 weeks, you can start enjoying your new home sooner. Plus, they have numerous upgrades available, including solar and off-grid options. Next comes Tiny Home on Wheels, No Lofts listing by Nicola. Price $49,000. Location, Live Oak, Florida. The Florida model is a 298 square foot tiny home that can be rented out on Airbnb for short stays or used as a guest house or temporary housing. It's easy to move with a heavy-duty truck and doesn't need special permits. Here are some of its features. It comes fully furnished. It has a deck built on top of the trailer, so there are no wheel wells inside. The unit weighs 11,300 pounds when fully loaded. It's built with a sturdy wood frame. It's well insulated to keep you comfortable. It has double-paned windows to keep the heat and cold out. It has a 50-amp power hookup. It has a tankless water heater and air conditioning and heating system. The outside is finished with durable materials. It has a metal roof. Inside, there are painted walls and a nice ceiling. There's a porch with lights and outlets, plus some outdoor furniture. The floors are made of nice vinyl planks. It has a good kitchen with countertops and a cooktop. There's a TV and a comfortable bed. It even has a space-saving washer or dryer hookup. There's storage space in the bedroom and a loft for more storage. It's certified to be used in RV parks. 2-bedroom and 1-bath tiny home listing by Dennis. Price $39,000. Location, San Marcos, California. Introducing a unique living space that's versatile and compact. Their foldable container ADU is not your typical tiny house or RV. It's a cozy retreat that can serve as a man cave, shed, detached home office, or artist retreat. It's clean, cute, and classy, offering a fold-up design into a 6-foot 7-inch by 19-foot 2-inch container. When unfolded, it expands to a 20-foot by 19-foot 2-inch space, totaling 383 square feet. Inside, you'll find double-pane windows, steel doors, a bathroom, and a kitchen, all insulated for comfort. While the bedroom area behind the fireplace wall isn't finished, it can be customized into 2 small bedrooms, 1 large bedroom, or a bedroom plus office combo. Priced at $39,900, or best offer, it comes furnished and ready to be plumbed and wired for electricity. Please note, the price doesn't include land, but there's an option to rent land for storage until you're ready to move. The motivated owner is eager to sell, with the buyer responsible for loading, transportation, setup, and any required permits. Elbarsco Tiny House. Location, Buka Izmir. Price $49,000. Elbarsco Tiny Houses is a 387.5 square foot steel frame home with 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a loft. It is special homes that makes living different and beautiful. They're made for people who like to keep things simple. Elbarsco pays a lot of attention to the details, looks, and how useful the houses are, making each one really great. These tiny houses by Elbarsco are all about living with less, but still having everything you need. They look amazing inside and out, and they're designed to make you feel cozy and happy. Plus, they're built really well, so they last a long time. Elbarsco cares about the environment, too. Their tiny houses are made to be eco-friendly, using materials that are good for the planet. They're also energy efficient, so they help save energy and make life better for everyone. NOAA certified 12-foot tote and go. Location, Wilmington, North Carolina. Price, $26,500. This mobile home is small at 96 square feet with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. It measures 12 feet by 8 feet, and it's very light, only 4,000 pounds. You can pull it with a powerful V8 car. It's great for people like traveling nurses, retired people who want to explore, or anyone who likes the idea of living small but needs to move around a lot. Inside, it's got everything you need. Check these out. You can get hot water whenever you want with a special heater. There's lots of space to cook on the kitchen counters, which have a gas stove with 2 burners. You can keep warm or cool with a special mini split system, no matter where you are. There's a shower that you can stand up in, measuring 32 inches. You have a proper toilet, not a small one. There's even a desk where you can work or eat. And outside, you can even get hot or cold water for showering or washing up. This tiny home is really well made and can last a long time if you take good care of it. 20-foot NOAA certified home listing by Dragon. Location, Snellville, Georgia. Price, $34,800. The Element model is a 160 square foot mobile home with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a loft. It is 20 feet long, has a big kitchen with laundry space under the counter and lots of storage above it. In the bathroom, there's a normal toilet and a big 32-inch shower. The living area is designed to be cozy and practical. There's enough space for a sofa and a desk, so you can relax or get work done easily. The loft is quite spacious, perfect for a big bed and extra storage. You can reach it using a ladder or optional stairs. This tiny home is built on a special trailer that we make ourselves. It's sturdy with full 2x4 construction and good insulation. Even though it's small, the Element 20-foot gives you a great living experience without costing too much. 22-foot studio tiny home listing by Charla. Location, Denver, Colorado. Price, $24,900. This is a 176 square foot new tiny home that's all on 1 level with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. It's made just for you, so it'll take about 4 to 5 weeks to build. It's got everything you need to live comfortably. A way to plug into power if you have an RV, a place to get water, and a tank to store fresh water. There's also a pump to get the water flowing, and a heater that gives you hot water right away. You can cook on the electric stove, and there's a bigger sink in the kitchen. You can also sit at the counter on bar stools to eat. The bathroom has a shower that's easy to walk into, a sink, a regular toilet, and it has an air conditioning to keep you cool and a fan to keep the air moving. If you want, you can choose to add some extra features, like a special toilet that turns waste into compost, a stove that burns wood for heat, a closet that's built into the home, and you can decide if you want a wall to separate the bedroom from the rest of the home. You can also choose to have bigger windows or glass front door. The Sequoia. Location, Auburndale, Florida. Price, $38,900. This 144 square foot tiny house measures 18 feet long and 8 feet wide. This is a small studio with 1 bathroom. Inside, there are nice little details that make it comfy and cozy. It's a great place to relax after a long day. This house isn't just pretty, it's also really well made and can handle any weather. It's tough and practical, perfect for people who love outdoor adventures. If you're ready for a big adventure, grab your hunting gear and come stay in this beautiful handmade tiny house. They offer delivery anywhere in the US. Steve Cooper. Location, Fresno, California. Price, $24,000. This pre-owned 18-foot long and 8.5-foot wide tiny home, located in Fresno, California, combines affordable luxury, energy efficiency, and functional design into a compact living space. Built in 2022, it features high-quality construction with wood framing over a steel trailer, metal roofing with a 40-year warranty, and a total living area of 153 square feet. The interior boasts soft-close whitewood cabinets, butcher block countertops, stainless steel sink, energy-saving appliances including a mini-split heat pump, LED lighting, and a built-in washer and dryer hookup. It also offers a studio bedroom space, a bathroom with a regular flush toilet and shower, as well as modern conveniences like cable and internet wiring, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and energy-saving vinyl windows. The tiny home is ready for immediate occupancy with exterior amenities such as lights, entry steps, and RV hookups, making it an ideal and affordable housing solution. And that's all for now. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, if you have any suggestions or feedback, write in the comments section below. See you next time!